Hello chess lovers, I have a very beautiful game for you played by PewDiePie, who is a Swedish YouTube personality and a video producer. He has the most subscribers on YouTube. As of April 1, 2018, he has around 62 million subscribers. His opponent is another famous YouTube personality, filmmaker and vlogger Casey Neistat. As of April 1, 2018, Neistat has more than 9 million subscribers. This game was played in 2017 when Casey Neistat was showing PewDiePie some useful filmmaking tips. And now it's high time to see how the game progressed. E4 by PewDiePie, E5 by Neistat, and there it goes with the F4. As you know, PewDiePie is a strong gamer and he goes for this aggressive King's Gambit. He takes F4, Knight F3, G5. Probably the strongest continuation in this position. Bishop C4, G4. Now, as you can see, the knight on f3 is hanging, but now white castles kingside, sacrificing the knight on f3. This is Muzio Gambit. White is sacrificing a piece for a quick development and a rapid attack. G takes f3, queen takes f3, queen f6 protecting the pawn on f4, d3 the bishop is eyeing on f4 square. Bishop g7, well, usually in this position black is placing the bishop on h6 square, but in this case we see bishop g7. Knight c3, the knight is eyeing on d5 square and knight c6. Well, actually placing the knight on e7 square, covering the d5 square. Now if knight d5, then black can exchange the knights, and then preparing castling kingside would have been better, but instead after knight c3 we see knight c6. Of course, in this position knight d5 could give white a huge advantage, but instead we see bishop takes f4. Knight d4, queen f2, the queen was under attack, and d6. Again, knight e7 would have been better, but instead we see d6, and finally white knight jumps on d5 square. Queen d8, now comes e5. As you can see, the black king is stuck in the center of the board, but now white is trying to open up the center and target black king. c6, bishop g5, sacrificing a piece in order to open up the f file. Queen d7, but actually it turns out that capturing on g5 was playable, though after queen takes f7 check king d8, queen c7 check king 8, rook e1, white has a very dangerous attack, and if a move like d takes e5, then white has a powerful h4 move, trying to lure away the queen, which is protecting the bishop, and if queen h6, then knight b6 is very strong, opening up the bishop's diagonal with a tempo this time. If a takes b6, of course, this is losing on the spot. Let's go back, but after bishop g5, we see queen d7. Here comes knight c7 check, queen takes c7, bishop takes f7 check, king d7, and now you can pause the video and try to find white's next moves. Actually, there is a mate in 2. Ready? In this position, PewDiePie went for a mind-blowing queen sacrifice, queen f5 check, and after this forced knight takes f5. As you can see, the knight is no longer covering the e6 square. The pawn stepped forward and we see this brutal checkmate on the board. Look at this. This is just insane. 2 bishops with a single pawn are checkmating black king. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave your comments. Forgot to tell you something. Happy April Fool's Day. This game was actually played by Shaya Nimtsovich and Newman in 1899 in Riga. Hope that you enjoyed this brilliant attack. Good luck.